What up, everyone? You see that chart? I know you see that chart. Crypto Marxist right here, just giving you guys a little update as to what's going on with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is mooning right now. In case you don't know, Shiba Inu is mooning right now, sitting at 28.94, up 17.8% over the past 24 hours. The market cap sitting at $17.05 billion. You have the total market cap going at $28.93 billion. I should have actually made this video and said SHIB flips Cardano. Maybe I'll make another one. All right. Maybe I'll make another one and title it that because that's also what happened. So let's go ahead and and just so you know, when I made the thumbnail for this thing just kept going. Just kept going. You guys know how Shiba Inu is. Shiba Inu is the most underrated meme coin in all of crypto. Like straight up. The fact that it's this cheap right now, people will look back in like 10 years and be like, "Damn, how was SHIB under a penny? That doesn't even make sense." Like because they all the work that is going into this. All right, cool. I could talk sheep all day, all night, and then come back to day and night. Just run it 48 hours. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and check out what coin market cap is looking like. I'm gonna give you the definition of what Shiba Inu is according to the Shiba token website. All right, and then I'm gonna tell you because I named this SHIB Mooning ecosystem explosion next. And at the very end, we're going to check out Shibarium, which is Shiba Inu's uh, blockchain, layer two. In my opinion, is going to be the king of layer two. All right, just putting it out there. If you want to deal with the kings with charts that go up and to the right, that moon, you already know the team. Shiba Inu, not financial advice. My opinion, putting you on game, putting you on plays that I'm in, you know, so never, never, never financial advice. All right, cool. With that said, all right, let's go ahead and check out the Shiba token definition real quick, even before we get to coin market cap. All right, ShibaToken.com. It says SHIB token. It says Shiba Inu. SHIB is our key token, embodying a global decentralized community-driven currency. Launched in 2020, this Ethereum-based token is a global sensation accepted at numerous places directly or via third parties. In case you don't know, these are like the main three tokens, which is SHIB, Bone, which is the gas token, and Leash, which is the reward token, exclusive token, rumored to be the metaverse token. All right, let's go ahead and slide into coin market cap. Let's see what the market is looking like. All right, because the market is actually looking kind of weak, but Shiba Inu is smacking right now. So let's go ahead and check it out. So today's crypto market prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is sitting at $2.57 trillion. All right, up barely 100th of a percentile today. All right, so just putting it out there. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin up 1%. Ethereum down 0.04%. Tether down, but that's a stable coin. BNB up 0.63. But here, let's keep going. Let's just, who's in double digits? Toncoin 1%. Shiba Inu up 10.08%. And we know this ain't even accurate because the latest, what's the latest? Here, let's come over here. We already know the latest is that Shiba Inu currently sits at a 28.73 price, 28.73 price, meaning that it is actually up 16.96%, almost 17%. Shiba Inu is, when I say it's explosive here, let me go ahead and pull out. Whoa, chill, chill, chill. Um, let me go ahead and pull back real quick, just so you guys can kind of see some of the explosive nature of Shiba Inu. And in fact, let me go ahead and go to the 4-hour chart. I had to redo this, man, because you guys know it's a love-hate relationship with Dex tools. I had to move, as you guys can see, right? It's a little different setup. I had to come over here. So long story short, when I did that, when I unplugged the computer, it basically started resetting everything. You know what I mean? It resets the charts because my charts are beautiful, man. Beautiful. Luckily, I saved some of them in the videos, but regardless, look, I just wanted to pull back. This is what it looks like. This is how explosive this is. It'll go, it'll peak, it'll come back down. But when I say explosive, this is what I mean. This is what and this right here is only what happened in March, early March. All right. This happened like March 2nd, March 4th. All right. So just be aware that this can absolutely just keep taking off because of the FOMO that occurs with this particular token. All right, well, that isn't even the all-time high. Let's go ahead and take it further back. In fact, let's go to days just so we can go back quicker. So you guys can actually see what the all-time high looked like. And the all-time high also, look at this, explosive. Boom, boom. And this is in a matter of, we're talking about this was September 29th. By October, by October 27th. So basically about 1 month straight moon. 1 month straight moon. All right. So here we are now. Here we are, and we see the next leg. This is the next leg here. I don't really see this going down. It might touch to the 2,000 range, 2,000 Satoshi. Um, maybe like on during the crash. But at this point, even if uh Bitcoin dips down 10 to 15%, I really don't see Shiba Inu dipping down too much more. In fact, I believe it's probably going to keep moving up to about the 3,000 mark. In fact, let's go ahead and see what my levels are, because I just quickly shot some of these up. um Here, and actually just getting a little closer, because we're in days. I wanted to show you the all-time high. So here we are. Here we are. The 4 hour, I guess we could deal with that. All right, so 4 hour. Okay, so boom. And actually you can see at the 4 hour it actually bounced right here. So we're looking right now to actually try to get to about the 2950 mark. 2950 is our next target. The 2950 is the next target, not the 2900. 2950, and then from there 3000 psychological. All right, so just keep that in mind. If you don't understand the difference between why there is two market caps, a market cap right here at $16.90 billion and a total market cap of 28.69 billion, it has to do with the total supply. The total supply is 1 quadrillion, but the circulating supply, right, because these are tied, is actually 58.93%, meaning there is 589 trillion Satoshi units, aka Shiba Inu tokens. One Shiba Inu is equivalent to one Satoshi unit. Okay, that's very important for us to keep hammering down. All right, cool. With that said, let me go ahead and just quickly show you guys the ecosystem. All right, so the main ones on Ethereum, and maybe we'll quickly tap into the Shibarium ones. I don't want this video to go long, but I do want to give you the value that you guys deserve, especially if you are part of the Bone Army, part of the SHIB Army. All right, if you are, you already know, go ahead and hit that sub, hit that like, bell it up, because some of my stuff is time sensitive and urgent, and we're going to the moon, so you might as well follow. All right, here we are. We got Bone. I can't. I'm a Bone. I'm as close as a Bone Maxi as you can get. 100% believe in this ecosystem. Okay, deflationary. Everybody wins. You put your money in, everybody wins. Not financial advice. All right, cool. Bone, the official gas token of the layer 2 proprietary blockchain. Okay, part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, sitting at a $165 million market cap. Okay, under $1 billion, if you guys can believe that. The total market cap sitting at $179 million. Okay, definitely going to touch the 180, hitting 180 for sure within, I would say, within the next couple hours, the way this is moving. In fact, look at this. And I had the levels on this, as you guys know, but because of the fact I moved the the computer, as I explained to you guys earlier, yeah, my levels got a little messed up. But see, I'll quickly just try to give you a little bit so you guys can kind of see the range that this thing is looking like it's moving at. And keep in mind, this is the earlier one, I had it at about 78 cents, probably about 78 cents. So we'll see what happens here, because what could happen here is this right here. You get this bob, 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 and then a little bob, not even all the way down, and then break, bounce. Okay, might even come back down one last one before it shoots up over here and does this and keeps going here. This is probably the next level I would be concerned with, about the 78, because that's around the rejection from previous times. If you actually look right here, 76, I would say about 78 or so. So just something to keep in mind. Just a little quick TA. We're up almost 10%, 9.26. Bone sitting at 71 cents only. Okay, let me repeat that. Bone at 71 cents only. The fact that Bone is under $1 right now is crazy. Okay, you guys will look back and say, man, I should have got some Bone, because now it's $10. Now it's $100. Eventually, I made the video already. I believe Bone is going to $1,000 minimum. Yeah, minimum. It's like Ethereum. Ethereum is to a point right now where it's almost at 4,000. It's not going back to 1,000. Okay, it's only gonna keep getting more expensive. All right, as the famous meme says, today's prices are not tomorrow's prices, or today's prices are not yesterday's prices. Point is, shit gets more expensive. All right, cool. Well, with that said, let me go ahead and just hit you with two more quick ones, guys. I'm gonna hit you with Leash, okay, because you guys know that's one of the ones that they covered over here. And Leash also has been mooning. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. I got one over here. I got another one around the 420. 420. So you know what I mean? So hit that. I hit at 420. All right. So basically that thing just kept going up. And it was funny because I was talking to somebody about it. And they're like, yeah, and I'm like, cool. And then I ended up doubling back. So yes, sir. Don't forget, in my honest opinion, nothing of what I'm telling you is financial advice. I'm just putting you on my opinion. I'm putting you on game right here. One Leash is going to be worth more than one Bitcoin eventually. That's my honest opinion. All right. One Leash is going to be worth more than one Bitcoin. Why? Look at the circulating supply. We're talking about a market cap of only $53 million, but the circulating supply is only 107,000 Leash tokens. All of these tokens are DAOs. Leash, DAO. Bone, DAO. SHIB, DAO. Tree, gonna have a DAO. And maybe she, DAO. Like I said, I'm just putting you guys on game. And here you have it, man. Look at this. About to break 500. Look at this. Looking juicy. Looking juicy. All right, cool. And this one right here is the exclusivity token for Shiba Inu. Okay, this one right here was used to buy the metaverse lands. If you wanted to get in and get a premium location, you could have locked up your Leash for about I think it was like a week or up to a month, and get your locations, before the rush. Same thing with the Shiboshis. When the Shiboshis were minted, they could be minted with Leash, or just you could have the Leash and it would grant you access to mint your Shiboshi early. So I'm just saying, these are some of the benefits that you get holding Leash. Okay, the Shiboshis, their first NFT collection for Shiba Inu. They're on to the second one, which is like a collab one, which is the female Shiboshis called the Shiboshis, SHE, where the original ones were SHI. All right, cool. Well, with that, let's go ahead and maybe slide into one final Ethereum play before I hit you with the um with the Shibarium ones. All right. And unfortunately, this one does hurt me a little bit because my chart was crazy. I mean, crazy. Predicted it down to actually under $2 million, which is where it's at, under $2 million. Straight up predicted that. So this one, let's see if maybe I can zoom it out. But yeah, it's basically been going down as predicted. I told you guys I was going to get in right now. If this happened to start getting listed or something, this could have kept going and would have probably been at maybe about 10 million base, okay, floor. All right. But of course, here you have a retrace, natural retrace, because of course people that got in on the pre-sale are going to get out, and plus the market was mooning. So since the market was mooning, all these people had their money stuck. So basically, as they were able to unlock their tokens, a lot of people started exiting. So now though, you see how this is starting to flatten out. I will go ahead and redo the chart. Basically, because the way I see it, it's gonna do this now. All right. So crypto marks is about to give you a little sum. So it goes like this. It's gonna probably do this. It's probably gonna do that. Might even hit this. Might even hit that before it starts to kind of go back up. All right. That's basically what I'm saying. All right. So I'll go ahead and retrace all those for you guys, just so you guys can get like a solid understanding. And then I'm gonna hit you with the Shibarium plays. All right. I'm gonna hit you with the Shibarium plays. This one right here has me bullish. This one right here has me the most bullish. There's few tokens like this one, few teams like this one. They're burning SHIB. They're actually following the tenets of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Okay, so I definitely like that. The market cap is under $1 million too. Crazy entries on this one, and I didn't even see it's actually up 20.75%. I wasn't, this one just happened to be the one I have up that I was also, this chart, I forgot. This one hurts me too. You guys know how good I had this chart, the history of this chart, absolutely knocking it out of the ballpark every single time. Even this one, I actually predicted this one in a video. All right, cool. I'm going too long now. I'm sorry, but I actually predicted this. And even it was over here. I said, it might even do this. It's going to enter this zone right here. It's going to probably be the beginning of a W and then spike up. And look at this. Boom, boom. So either way, if you like getting alpha, if you like, in fact, I'm gonna give you mega alpha right now as soon as I tell you this. If you like getting all that stuff, go ahead, do yourself a favor. If you see any value in this, go ahead and hit that sub, hit that like, help me with the algorithm, bell it up so you can be notified when I drop content or when I go live. So as well as go ahead and leave a hashtag in the comments. First of all, if you have a question, go ahead and hit it, and I will definitely try to get to it as soon as possible, maybe even cover it in a video. But if you made it this far, and to show me you made it this far, I want you to hashtag SHIB to the moon in the comments. All right. So that way I know that you made it this far. All right, cool. With that said, there's too much for me to cover. So I'm gonna just tell you this. And let's look at these quickly. All right. So SHIB up 12%. These are all the Shibarium plays. So I told you we're gonna cover the ecosystem. All right. I showed you the Ethereum ecosystem, and there's other ones as well, like Bad Idea. But this video would just keep going on. So just quickly, so you got SHIB at 1285. Shout out to Bad Idea, by the way, which is the official AI partner SHIB of Shiba Inu. All right, don't sleep on any of these plays. Damn, another one. All right, up 13%. Sharby, another banger, up 964. Show, never heard of you. Wolf down 7.04. All right. Leash up 12.25. I showed you that thing is going to, first of all, it's going to be worth more than Bitcoin. All right. Crypto Marks has said it. All right. C Fund up 18.85%. Actually, that's a lie. It's up 20.81%. Why you lie? All right, cool. Shups, a partner of C Fund. Okay. Shibarium Pups up 6.75%. And Hoichi, for some reason, down 20.25%. That's major because they just dropped a bridge, the Tory bridge. I haven't checked it out. I need to check it out to see if what they're saying is true, because you guys know I'm gonna drop the alpha if it is 100% true, but I got to check it out first. Nobody gets free play over here, all right? Unless you're demonstrating like Corrupt Fund and doing your thing. You feel me? Or Shiba Inu's team and all that good stuff. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and just quickly go back to Shiba Inu. All right, go back to Shiba Inu. I don't want to miss anything. It's still over here looking like it wants to take off. The next level we are looking at is, like I told you, the 2950 level. 2950 level. And then after that, of course, about the 3075 level, approximately 3075 level, but really the 3000 psychologically. All right, so from 9550 bounce, then flip to support, okay, and then to 3000, and then we'll see where it goes. Where is the market going? But don't forget, Shiba Inu, there is less Shiba Inu than there is Bitcoin. There is less Shiba Inu, Satoshi unit for Satoshi unit. Okay, Shiba Inu is literally over 100 years more advanced than Bitcoin. I covered that in a video. In fact, I'll try to link it somewhere over here towards the end. But if you guys got any value from this, you already know what to do. If you want more, do that right there. There's more videos right there. Sorry it went so long, but you know what I like to do. I like to give you guys as much as possible. And either way, I go by Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army. Just came at you. So with that said, I'm Bone Army. You're Bone Army. We are the Bone Army. And I'm out. Appreciate y'all. Peace.